I used to think building something with AI meant learning to code. Turns out that's not true anymore. Every week there's a new AI tool promising to change everything. But most people never actually launch anything with it. Not because they're not capable, because no one gave them a system. That's exactly why I built AI Launch OS. A simple step-by-step system to go from idea to a real AI-powered offer. No coding, no guesswork, just a clear path to follow. Inside, you'll get the exact framework I use to launch AI offers quickly, plus the templates, prompts, and structure, so you're not starting from zero. You can get the full guide today for just $27. That's the entire framework. Not a taste of it, the whole thing. And if you want to move even faster, you can try the full AI Launch OS platform free for 7 days. No pressure, just see if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to stop watching AI trends and start building with them, click the link below to grab the $27 guide or start your free trial. And if this helped, hit subscribe and like the video. It really helps the channel grow.